The boning knife is one of the most important knives, especially for butchers and for food processors. This knife is used for portioning and for specific cuts that are made, okay, like this chicken, okay. In processing this chicken, of course, you have to take out the musk gland. Okay, and by gravity, what you want to do is cut through the spine area. Okay, you can see how strong and how fast it cuts through. Okay, by sheer weight of the chicken, it just goes down, and all you gotta do is just let your knife go through the chicken. And you have the soup bones, which is the back area.